All right, welcome Dsantos fans. We've got a really exciting event for you with Lucho and Adriana coming this Sunday. Click on the event and you're going to see all the details down below. Now, this is one of my favorite subjects. I love the history of salsa, where it all came from, what it's all about. Lucho here is going to talk about what we're going to do this Sunday from noon to 2 o'clock. And tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. This is a workshop that is going to be 2 hours, half study and half dancing. We're going to dance and learn about the background of the salsa, because salsa is not just the songs that you listen today, but it's full of roots that comes from Afro-Cuban, pachanga, Rumba, son, Danzon, guaracha, boogaloo, and so many rhythms that combined makes what we know today as salsa. So if you get to learn this, we're going to help you to interpret the music, we're going to help you to identify this inside the salsa songs, and also be able to know what you're doing or what you're learning exactly from the history of salsa or from the background.
I'm so excited. I'm going to bring my pen and notepad and write it all down. I hope you will too. So let's see you Sunday. Click below.